Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Sequel to my video of yesterday that I was telling you that southern Nigeria, especially the southwest, must protect themselves. It has happened again today. 300 girls were abducted in Zamfara. Federal government, they don't do nothing about it. But now, the next thing they want to do is to arrest Sunday Igboho for saying criminals must leave his father's land, must leave Yoruba's land. What has he done? This is the inequality I was talking about. This is what I was trying to mention out about Fulani agenda, domination, subjugation, control, manipulation, extermination. I told you, rise up and fight for yourself. These people will not fight for you. If they arrest Sunday Igboho, you can forget the rest of Yoruba land. It will be very easy for them to take over all your forests and from there launch attack, install the Eman, and then Fulanize the whole of Nigeria. That is the agenda, especially the Yoruba land. I told you yesterday, Yoruba people, wake up. This is your life. Fulani and Hausa, they have been like this. Remember Abacha, reign of terror? Anytime they're in government, it is one drama after the other. It is one drama, one day, one drama. Look at Yaradua's time. The more you look, the less you see. Look at Abacha time, look at Babangida time. Look, they are like this. You can never cohabit with this kind of human being. It will never be possible for you to live together with these people. Yoruba are decent people. They have sense of decency. They have decorum. They are educated, enlightened, one of the best to come out of Africa. They are the glory of the black nation. Rise up, refuse to be subjugated. Forget about mediocrity. Tinubu cannot do anything for you. Rise up, fight for yourself, fight for Oduduwa nation. Protect Sunday Igboho. Once the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? When Sunday Igboho is arrested, the rest of you are in big trouble. I am telling you, rise up, defend yourself, fortify yourself. Don't leave everything to chance. You have a right to life. You were born in Yoruba land. You have a right to live and defend Yoruba land. Imagine 800 million they paid to Gome and his people as ransom. And now today, they kidnapped 300 girls in Zamfara. I'm sure billions of naira will be raised as a check from central bank, from your money, from my money, from the tax income from Lagos State, tax income from all seaport, tax money from petroleum, money from your silver, money from your metal, money from the tax we are paying everywhere to service these people. How many people will Buhari and his Fulani men kill before they will give up? You still have 3 years of Buhari's regime. What is it going to be for you? The same thing they did to Abiola. They killed him for winning an election. Abiola was languishing in jail. Abacha was running a government with Buhari as the chief supporter. This same Buhari was the one backing up Abacha with PTF. We have a short memory. Yoruba, this is not the time to be decent and nice. You have to be rugged, be ready, defend what God gives to you. Pursue them out of your ancestral land. Pursue them out of your villages. Do not be deceived. Do not listen to what the King Obaiwo is saying, or Ooni of Ife is saying. These people, when the ships are down, they will run away. It has happened before. Ooni of Ife ran away during the June 12 crisis. He ran to London. He then became Ooni of Trinidad and Tobago. Tinubu already he has lost everything. He has lost his voice. Do you see them say anything? Never. They will never say anything. You see, he that come to equity must come with a very clean hands. You understand it? You must come with a very clean hand. Nigerian governments don't want peace. Ab initio, they want crisis. They want chaos. Imagine if they arrest Sunday Igboho, automatically they kill him, and the end of the struggle finishes. This is not the Yoruba land that my great grandfather handed over to me. We have to fight for this one. This is a breaking news. I will follow it up as soon as it unfolds. But now it seems he has escaped from them. So, but I can give you a guarantee there is no giving up. They will still continue. It is a target. They have to arrest him so that they can silence him, so that they can capture effectively the whole of Southwest. But I can bet you this will never happen. This will never happen. If you cannot protect your house, nobody will protect it for you. Self-defense is your right, it's your inalienable right. They have no right to arrest Sunday Igboho when Sheikh Gume is still walking free. When we don't know the whereabouts of Buhari that we voted for. When Garba Shehu is now the de facto president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. When the guy you voted for refused to protect you, instead is attacking you. That is the Fulani agenda I talked about in my last video yesterday. You can go and check it. So this is Diamond Communications. Please share it, love it, give it a thumb, love it, share it everywhere. They want to arrest Sunday Igboho, and we have to fight to defend him, because for now, he is our pathfinder for now. He is the one God is using now. He is the Gideon of our time. May God bless you. See you again. Love it, share it, and subscribe, so that as I drop another video, you'll be able to see it. Have a nice day. I'll be back with a bang. As it stands now, he has escaped the arrest. He has escaped the arrest. You understand? They lay a siege for him. They waylay him in Ibadan along South Guru Maraji Road. But his lieutenant, his boys also fought and make sure they secure him. It's an unwarranted. That is a provocation, and Yoruba people will not accept this. Never. It will never be accepted. I can give you a guarantee. It will never be accepted. We resist it. He is not Abiola. He is not Moyele Sowore that you caged, that you killed before. This will never happen. Yoruba people will never accept this. We cannot tolerate it. We don't accept it. We reject it. And I was saying it. Fulani agenda must stop. Nigerian is an ancestral land for Yoruba, for Igbo, for Efik, for Ibibio, for Tiv, for Ndoma, for Nupe, for Tapa, for everybody. Fulani have no say in Nigeria. How many are they? Are they up to 10 million in Nigeria? Are they up to 10 million? It will never happen. Yoruba has come a long way. This evil must be stopped. We have to speak to power. Ooni of Ife must behave himself now. Okay. See you next time. Bye. I give it to you as it unfolds. As it stands now, the arrest was not successful, but we are monitoring it. We will feed you back when it happens. Okay. Bye.